was overjoyed. I couldn't believe it, especially my scores. When I compared the scores I had before and then compared the scores I had this time, I just couldn't believe it. My previous interview did not go too well in the previous grade application. I was quite nervous about going into the process again and the stress that came with it. And that was one of the first things I came into into the academy with, thinking I was not going to do well a second time because I was so stressed. The academy taught me otherwise, and the process which we went through proved to be a trusted process, and it worked. So I'm just grateful for that. Yeah. Doing the crash course and meeting with colleagues from different specialties and practicing with colleagues from different specialties, knowing what people are doing in their people have done so far and what people are bringing to their own specialties really gave me a lot of insight. And I think you writing on the pages, even your insecurities, things that you weren't sure so about, and putting yourself out there was what really worked. I felt the online platform was very, very good. I mean, I can't say enough how easy it was to navigate and how easy it was to reach any of you guys to answer the questions, how prompt it was that you guys responded to our videos. All those things really worked. And I would really advise anybody that was unsure of going into this process, was unsure about investing into taking part in a crash course, that they should. I think one other thing that really I found that it was very useful, that psychological session that we had, where it just primed our minds to think positively and to leave those things behind, those thoughts that you had behind that it didn't work the last time, so it wouldn't work this time, or oh, I don't have enough to make a great trainee. That session was really helpful, and I would encourage that if the next time you still do that session. And so it just really helped psych our emotions as well, and just made us think very positively going into the interview. Yeah, I was overjoyed. I was excited. I was very happy that I put myself through this, and I put myself through the academy, and I was able to learn from it. Not even just for this interview, but beyond that. And thank you, Tessa, for this. Really.
No, wonderful. I'm so happy for you. You totally deserve it. Well done. Really well done.